You know the feeling, you work your tail off, long hours, same routine, but your bank account? Not growing fast enough. Sound familiar? That's the reality for too many. Traditional jobs often mean trading time for money. Limited income, limited potential. We're taught to climb the corporate ladder. But what if the ladder is broken? What if you want more control over your income? What if you're tired of feeling stuck? There's a better way, a smarter way, and it's powered by AI. The gig economy promised freedom. Be your own boss, set your own hours. But the reality? It's tough out there. Competition is fierce, income is unpredictable, and finding reliable, high-paying gigs, it's a hustle. You're constantly searching for the next client, the next project, the next paycheck. It's exhausting. But don't worry, there's hope. AI is changing the game. It's creating new opportunities. It's empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. And it's happening right now. AI seems complicated, but it's simple. AI is about making things easier. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help. Imagine a world where AI does the heavy lifting. No more tedious tasks, no more wasted time. AI can handle repetitive work, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, something that would take humans days or even weeks. It can spot trends we can't even see, uncovering insights that drive smarter decisions. This is huge for your income. Imagine making informed investments with confidence. Imagine knowing what's going to be hot before everyone else. Stay ahead of the curve with AI. Imagine automating your work and having more free time. AI can take over mundane tasks, giving you the freedom to innovate. That's the power of AI. It's transforming industries and changing the way we live and work. It's time to stop fearing AI and start using it. AI is a tool, a powerful ally in our daily lives. It's time to put it to work for you. Embrace the future with AI by your side. Section 4 AI, your personal money-making machine. Imagine having a tool that works tirelessly for you day and night, maximizing your income potential. How can AI boost your income? Let me count the ways. The possibilities are endless and exciting. First, AI can automate your tasks. Imagine all those repetitive, mundane tasks you do every day. Think about your daily work. What can be automated? Data entry, email marketing, social media? AI can handle it all efficiently and accurately. This frees up your time to focus on high-value work. You can dedicate more time to strategic thinking, creativity, and innovation. The stuff that really makes you money. Imagine the financial growth you can achieve with this extra time. Second, AI can help you identify hot market trends. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Remember AI's ability to analyze data? It can sift through massive amounts of information in seconds. It can spot emerging trends before they become mainstream. This foresight can be a game changer for your business. This gives you a huge advantage. You can stay ahead of the competition and capitalize on new opportunities. You can get in early on the next big thing. Imagine being a pioneer in a lucrative market. Third, AI can help you create new income streams. Diversifying your income has never been easier. Ever thought about starting an online business? AI can help. It can guide you through every step of the process. From product development to marketing, AI can streamline your operations and boost your efficiency. AI can be your secret weapon. Embrace it and watch your financial success soar to new heights. Section 5. Join the AI revolution. I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, Gary, but can AI really help me? Can it truly make a difference in my life? Absolutely. I've seen it firsthand. The impact of AI is not just theoretical, it's practical and tangible. People from all walks of life are using AI to boost their income, enhance their skills, and transform their careers. Take Sarah, a single mom who was struggling to make ends meet. She was overwhelmed with bills and responsibilities. She learned how to use AI for freelance writing. With dedication and the right tools, she mastered the art of leveraging AI to create compelling content. Now she earns a comfortable living from home. Her stress has turned into satisfaction, and her financial worries are a thing of the past. She's in control of her time and her income. She can now spend quality time with her children and manage her schedule with ease. Or John, a recent college grad who used AI to build a successful e-commerce business. He started with a small idea and a lot of ambition. He's now his own boss and making more money than he ever thought possible. His business is thriving, and he's living his dream. These are just two examples of the countless success stories out there. People everywhere are discovering the power of AI. AI is leveling the playing field. It's breaking down barriers and creating opportunities for everyone regardless of their background. It's giving everyone the opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Imagine being in control of your financial destiny. So what are you waiting for? The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. The AI revolution is here. Are you in? Join us and be part of this transformative journey. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your stories and your questions. And stay tuned for my next post where I'll share some powerful AI tools you can start using today to boost your income.